We've made tons of changes to the new CCNA books that come out in 2024, but I wanted to give you one video that summarized all those changes as quickly as I can. I've kept it to about 7 minutes. Let's get into it. If you want the detail, look in the show notes for the links to those more detailed videos. Let's go. For a quick overview, there's a Volume 1 official cert guide. It's about half the content. There's a Volume 2. It's the other half the content. You need both. To make that cheaper, we put them both in a cardboard box, nothing more, nothing less, and sell them as the CCNA library. It's much cheaper. Most of our sales are the library because it's much cheaper. Then, what did we change in these things? Well, we made changes per the version 1.1 Blueprint. Of course, that's kind of a requirement. But that's not even half of the volume of changes. There was an interim set of updates to the version 1.0 Blueprint. We integrated those changes into the books. Then every edition, I rescoped the exam topics and we modernized some topics that have aged a bit. And then this time around, we made some extensive changes to the question bank. Those are the things we changed. I'm going to attack them next in the order from the right-hand side of this graphic to the left. We devoted a lot of time and effort into updating the question banks. First off, we modernized questions. I personally looked at all of them. I rewrote some, I deleted some, I revised some a little. We added volume. We three authors together added over 200 new questions to the question set. As a result, we've got twice as many mock exams as before. It's a hugely improved and larger question set. In particular, these are the old covers. So in the printed library with the two books in it, you got 2 CCNA full exams that you could use for a timed CCNA exam event. And the premium edition ebook and practice test on the right, the ebook, came with 2 extra CCNA full exams. So in the old days, you could get 2 or 4 of those. And we've doubled it. Here are the covers for the second editions that come out in 2024. You get 4 of those CCNA full exams now with the print library, and 8 of those with the premium edition library. Every edition I consider changes based on changes in the exam or changes in the technology. Some of the highlights this time around: I revised the auto negotiation section, I added auto MDICs, added some troubleshooting on VLANs and trunks, added back a chapter on subnetting design. Throughout the books, I compare iOS and iOS XE when they're different on routers. I added something called SVI Auto State for VLAN interfaces. In the OSPF part, I reorganized the material. In the IPv6 part, I reorganized the material and added some new content and updated that. Then in Volume 2, I revised some of the access control list content and wrote a whole new chapter on applied IP ACLs. I revised the NAT chapter. It had been a while on that one. I added multi-gig Ethernet, and I updated the Power over Ethernet section. Cisco made some wording changes to the version 1.0 Blueprint in late 2022. So we added material, put it in a PDF. You could have downloaded it anytime between about then and now. And of course, we've reintegrated that back into the new editions. Just to hit the highlights of what we added, Cisco changed exam topic 112 to add the words like containers and VRFs. So that's within the book itself now. They changed this 2.1c exam topic from connectivity to inter-VLAN connectivity. The book's already covered that anyway. And then this last one, talking about first hop redundancy protocol, changed purpose to purpose, functions, and concepts, greatly expanding the meaning. So we've got a whole chapter on that topic in the new editions. So for the new blueprint, we care really most about the additions, but let's rip through the removals and the neutral items first. Exam topic 1.1e, some wording changes happened. We really didn't change the books because of it. On this one, the exam topic 6.4 is changed. We did remove a few topics about Cisco Prime infrastructure in relation to this removal. And then exam topic 6.5 did indeed delete Puppet and Chef, so we removed Puppet and Chef from the book as well. Then there was one exam topic that it was just a wording change. 4.5 levels to severity levels, no change in meeting, no change in the books. Now, the rest of the exam topic changes add content that you need to learn. Here we go. There was not a 2.5D. Now there is. It's 4 different things in spanning tree. I added a bunch of content there, maybe 12, 13 pages spread across 2 chapters on those. Then this exam topic has 2 kind of tricky changes. It's not a hard topic. It's just kind of tricky to work through. It goes from some wireless device types to all network devices. So it expands the scope a bit, and it tacks on this and cloud managed. So that could be, for instance, a device running in the cloud or a device that's managed in the cloud like Meraki. Then the new AI exam topic, it uses number 6.4, which was that deleted exam topic. There's the wording. It's basically explain the basics of what AI means today in network operations, that is, in the context of networking. Then a few other odds and ends. We added authentication types to the REST topic. And then finally, you might recall that deletion of Puppet and Chef in exam topic 6.7 also added Terraform. So those are the changes, and specifically the additions to the new blueprint. I've got like 7 videos on this from late April up to now. If you want that, look in the description and look for those links. Give me a subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else you'd like to see here. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll talk to you later.